actually I'm going to do some demonstration to Brian how to do our app. So first of all, I'll just come a little close to this. Open this one, and this is our app. So all you have to do is just click it, and then I'm gonna plug it into the VR gear here. You have to be a bit careful when you put this one, and then you hold it. I'm gonna just quickly have a check whether it's working fine or not, and it is indeed working fine. So I'm going to ask him to wear it. Just do not touch the right hand, so you place it like that. Okay, can you see that?
I could see, but
It's blurry. Okay, if it was blurry, all you have to do is first of all you need to adjust it with a thing. Is it somewhat okay now?
Yeah, it's somewhat okay now.
Okay, so now you take your finger, and on the top you can adjust it with this knob.
Right.
Okay, so adjust it according to it comes to clear to your eye level. Is it clear?
Yep.
Okay, cool. Now how this particular thing works is you can see a red dot over there.
Yes.
So that is your controlling part. And then whenever you see around, you will be seeing a blue color circle with an arrow on it. So this one will be taking you to the different hotspots that we have for you to just enjoy that particular view. In the same way, you will be seeing again a circle with 3 lines, which will help you to change the color, product, and everything. So
Alright.
you can go ahead.
Let me try the arrow first. Okay. Yes. And
Open on.
I think I'm done.
Okay, stop it.